Maria of TheQsAcademy. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to like and subscribe TheQsAcademy. Lessons worth learning.
Hi, this is Teacher Maria once again. Today, we will be discussing specifically about taproot.
These are our objectives. By the end of this lesson, learners should be able to define what a taproot is, describe the parts and functions of a taproot, and give examples of plant with taproots.
Root, the part of a plant that grows downward and holds the plant in place, absorbs water and minerals from the soil, and often stores food. A taproot serves as the main root of a primary root system, growing vertically downward.
A taproot is a type of root system where there is one main thick root that grows straight down into the soil. On the other hand, smaller roots are called lateral roots. The main root of a taproot is often longer and thicker than all the other roots. These are the plants with taproot: beetroot, beetroot, burdock, 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 carrot, carrot, sugar beet, sugar beet, dandelion, dandelion, parsley, parsley, parsnip, parsnip, radish, radish, cannabis, cannabis, sagebrush, sagebrush, turnip, turnip, fierce, fierce, poppy mallow, poppy mallow, oak, oak, elms, elms, pine, pine, common milkweed, common milkweed. So it's our quiz time. Here we go. Is it a taproot or not? Mango tree, mango tree, a taproot or not? What do you think? Yes, mango tree is a taproot. Mango tree, taproot. It's not a fibrous plant or tree. How about grass? Is it a taproot or not? Grass. Not. Taproot has a fibrous roots. Sweet potato. Sweet potato. Taproot or fibrous root? Correct. It's a taproot. How about onion? Onion? Onion, taproot or fibrous? Yes, it's a fibrous. It's not a taproot. How about beetroot? Beetroot is a taproot or not? You got it right. It's a yes. It's a taproot. How about corn? Taproot or not? Corn. Taproot or not? Corn. What do you think? Not. Taproot or not? Of course not. It's fibrous. How about radish? Taproot or not? Taproot or not? Radish. It's a Taproot, you got it right. How about banana? Banana, taproot or fibrous? Taproot or not? What do you think? Hmm It's a fibrous. It's not a taproot. How about cabbage? Cabbage. Cabbage. Taproot or not? Yes or no? It's a yes. Cabbage is a taproot. Now you try to list five taproot and examples of taproot and fibrous plant. Just as a taproot is the main anchor of the plant, keeping it steady and helping it grow strong by reaching deep into the soil for water and nutrients. Our faith in God should be like a taproot, deep, firm, and unshakable. In Colossians chapter 2, verse 7, rooted and built up in Him, strengthened in the faith as you were like a plant. When our faith is deeply rooted in God's Word, we can stand strong even during life storms, temptations, and challenges. My friends, let your faith grow deeper as you can stand strong like a tree during any storm. I hope you've learned something new today. This is Teacher Maria of the Q's Academy. God bless everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share it to your friends. Thank you.